Buongiorno and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do a clothing haul. So I have been in a rut with fitness where I'm just like, I want new workout clothes. So there's a lot of hauls coming. I've got Alpha Elite Buff Bunny, and my new obsession right now is Sommer. I don't think it's Summer Ray. Maybe you pronounce it Summer Ray. I would assume so, but I think it's spelled with an O. I don't know, but I did pick up a lot from her newest collection, so we will go ahead and get into my review. It is my first time trying out this brand, so I didn't really have high expectations, especially for the price point. It is definitely a lower price point than what I'm used to, so let's go ahead and get into this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it, and yeah. Okay, so first off, I kind of want to just talk about, in general, the bag it came in. Super pretty. Get up with my toes. So this is what it looks like. Everything came like individually, like wrapped in a package. I don't really mind about packaging too much when it comes to clothes. I care about makeup as long as like nothing gets dirty. I like that it's individually packaged, but it comes in a nice bright bag that you're gonna throw away. Anyways though, it came pretty quick. I ordered, like I probably got it within, I want to say 4 days of ordering, so it was super fast. No problems. I will say the only thing that kind of sucks is the shipping. Shipping was $10, which I'm just like, and there's no like limit, like if you spend this much you get free shipping or anything like that. But I pulled the trigger on ordering her items because she is having 30% off right now. So I highly encourage you to check it out very quickly because there's no better way to try something when it's on a discount. I picked quite a few items, and like I said, I didn't really know what to expect. First up are these tank tops. I absolutely love these. They are so soft. All of her fabrics are so nice and soft. Only thing is, I don't know if it's considered just like athleisure wear or if you could wear this for an actual workout. I'm sure you could wear it for a workout. It just kind of, what I might do is actually order another one of these because I love this. I think it's perfect for like summer. It looks good with a pair of joggers, but at the same time, I still feel like it'd be cute with like red leggings or any color because you got the rainbow, you know? Taste the Skittles. Just taste the rainbow? Whatever. I tried. But the material is super soft. I just don't know how well it's going to hold up as far as working out. It doesn't feel like cotton. It just feels like super, it just feels freaking nice. Just trust me on that one. But yeah, it doesn't really say anything about it on the tag as far as what it's made out of. Yes it does. It's 92% polyester, 8% spandex, but super soft. And like I was saying, the other reason is these seem to be on there well, but they're kind of like that bungee material, so I don't know how long it's going to last. And you're obviously going to have to wear a bra because it's got no shelf in there, which I don't mind because the shelves never fit me right, and the padding always looks off. Like one boob is like bigger than the other, or it like pushes off to the side and I just look lopsided. It's bad, so I don't mind that. But yeah, the tank top's super cute, and I think they were only $14.99 on the price sheet. I don't have the actual prices on here, so I will make sure to pop them up on the screen. But I got a small in almost everything, and those are just the striped tank tops. So one thing with Sommer Ray, she comes out with a collection every single month, but once it's gone and out of stock, which things do go out of stock pretty fast, it's gone. Like, she doesn't restock, which I like the concept of that, but then I'm also like, you know, like if I wanted something, I'm just kind of like, well, that sucks, it's not coming back. I could get things in every color. If I really like the fabric, I will buy the same shirt in like 10 different colors. I'm not kidding. Next, let's talk about the joggers. So these are the green two-stripe leggings. So they're considered leggings, not joggers, but they feel more like a jogger and they fit kind of like a jogger. I'll show you what they look like. They're out of the same like plushy material. I did get these in a medium only because they were out of small and the extra small, so I was like, I'll try the medium, and even if it's just like a loose fit jogger type fit, like I'm fine with that because I love the freaking color. Like, I love this green so much. With the tank tops especially, like, I'm good to go as far as just having a cute like everyday like leisure wear, but still like acceptable, you know? I feel like it's just like big gray sweatpants that are just not acceptable these days. Like, you want something that accentuates your butt, makes you look nice, and is comfortable, because that's like number one. So the medium actually fits me pretty well. Like, it fits me a lot better than I thought. And yeah, I cannot get over this color. Super stretchy, super comfortable. Highly, highly recommend anything in this material. Having said that, I got them in black. So these are an extra small, so you guys will see in the footage the different fit. These are definitely a tighter fit. And like I said, I mean, they're considered leggings and not joggers. I feel like they're like a hybrid because they still look super flattering, and I want to wear them through a workout for sure. So I'm kind of like, I feel like they could pass as both. For some reason, I just don't like doing leg day and joggers. Like, I need a tight fit like legging for leg day, and then upper body day, I don't really care. So those are those. I'll see if they are squat proof in the footage, just in case you want to work out in these, but I 100% think that they are. Like, I don't doubt that. I haven't tried it yet. And then let's see here. Some other items I got this little cropped sweatshirt. It's not my favorite thing that I got for sure, but it's still really cute. I've always looked at these and wanted one, and I literally got it because it was on sale. Like, I think Gymshark has some, a lot of brands do, but I didn't want the giant logo, and that's something I love about the items she's came out with so far. The logo is always on a place where you can kind of barely see it. I like that. I don't need like a giant like brand like on top of everything. For some reason, I feel like that's, I don't mind it if it's like Adidas or Nike, but every other brand, I'm like, I don't want a person's name on me, you know? I don't know. So this is what that looks like. You guys will see on the footage, but I thought it'd be cute just with like some sports bras, like a cutout, and then to still wear leggings or even a tank top, like if I'm cold, just something to like throw over, and then I can like take it off as soon as I get into the gym. I definitely wouldn't say it's for working out. It is that like, it's definitely a cotton material, so it's just more for cuteness, and then once you get in the gym, you know, you shed it. But yeah, like I said, I got a small in this as well. The only other thing I got an extra small in was the jogger. And then we are on to the leggings. So these are the actual leggings. See, it just has like the little thing in the back that says SR for Sommer, but like that's it. That's the only logo on there, which I truly appreciate. And these are black lift, but okay, I can read. High-rise butt lift black leggings with side stripe. So I got an extra small, and I'm pretty impressed with these. I believe they're like 30 bucks, maybe 40 at the most. Like I said, I'll make sure to put that on the bottom. But they are super just nice quality leggings for such a great price. Like, I wouldn't say they're completely squat proof, but pretty close. Like enough to where I'm comfortable wearing on leg day without having to think about it, which is what I need. Because when I wake up at like 4 o'clock in the morning, I just don't want to think about that stuff. But the legging, the stripe goes like straight down. Of course, they're a little bit long on me, but everything's long on me. I'm like 5, I like to say I'm 5'1", but this is not true. I'm 5 feet. So really stretchy. I would say go with like your normal size leggings or whatever you usually choose to go in. But I will say, like, they're not unflattering by any means, but they're definitely not like if you're used to like the booty contouring. Like it says butt lift, but there's no like contouring on it. It just has like the little heart kind of shaped detail in the back. But I feel like these are just like a good staple, like quality legging that I'm just like, yes. Like I'm already just, I want so much more from this line. So much more. These are the first like good quality leggings I've had in a long time where I'm like, they're not seamless. And even though I usually love seamless, like this is the first pair where I'm like, oh my gosh, it was so nice to go and do a leg day where I was like, I don't have to worry about camel toe. I don't have to worry about what underwear I'm wearing. Like, I don't have to worry about anything. And it was just really nice. Because even though I love seamless, so much adjusting going on. Whereas these just stayed up throughout a whole leg workout, zero problems. And I do think the quality of these are going to last really nice and well. Whereas like the joggers, even though they say it's a legging, I would consider it more of like a jogger type material. So I don't know how well that's going to hold up. Because they're so cute and comfortable, I don't want to ruin them in the gym. So I did do like a light upper body workout in those, but I would never do like a full leg workout in those just because, yeah. And this stuff obviously does show sweat, so if that's something that's gonna bother you, just know like it's gonna be there, but you know what? You're in the gym to sweat, so it doesn't really bother me. But it didn't like change the coloring or anything. It's not because like I sweated it like turned brown or anything. Not that I have self-tanner on, but still, just so you know. And then lastly, I got this piece here, which is a long sleeve shirt. Same thing, super soft material. I am gonna wear it tonight to work out in. I probably won't upload this for a few days, so check in the comments and I'll let you guys kind of know if it shows sweat or if you guys want to know anything about this stuff. I will test it out the next few days before I post this. But super soft. It's in a size small. It has the yellow stripe down the sides, which I like that it's a small detail. And you guys know I'm really picky about my long sleeve tops. I don't like it to like come up to your neck where I feel like something is on my neck. I'm really weird about neck things. Like I just like if anyone touches my neck, I freak out. Like it's bad. I don't like it. So I don't like any clothing that's like super up here. So I love the fit of this and where it falls. Like that's one of my things with Gymshark, where I just can't wear their long sleeve tops. Like it's just too up here and I just don't like it. Maybe if I have a longer neck, I don't know. But regardless, I love the fit of these. If you get anything, I would so suggest these and like the jogger type material leggings. Those are heaven. Like yes. Gosh, I got this in black already. I'm like in love with the fabric. It's so soft. And I love that the crop, it's not like too cropped. And I love the neckline isn't like on my neck. You know what I mean? But it doesn't go up like, you know, some crop tops, like your tip might slip out the bottom. This is so nice because it just doesn't really go anywhere. So I love that. This is a size small. So overall, there was nothing in this haul that I did not like. I'm actually pretty shocked. Like that never happens to me where I'm just like, I am very happy with everything I ordered. And then some. Like I'm already on the website like, ooh, what else can I get? What else? I need 2 of these. Like I think the tank tops, I'm gonna buy a few extras for workout wear and then a few for just like cute summery clothing wear. Like I don't want to wear this to the gym and then ruin it, you know what I mean? I love it. Like it's so cute. So cute. But anyways, that is it for this video. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I think if you're in Canada, there's a store that sells it and then it's all online obviously. The only thing is they do get out of stock pretty fast. That's like the one downside of it, and I think it is a pretty small brand. I don't think this has been out for very long at all. But affordability wise, like it is the prices of like Forever 21 activewear, but the quality it's there. Like I have no bad things to say, which is, it doesn't happen often, let me tell you. I did want to do her white leggings, but I was like, let's try out the black first, because the black aren't completely squat proof. There's no way like the white, finding white leggings that are squat proof is like finding, you know, a diamond in a haystack, needle in a haystack. I cannot focus on words today. I don't know what's happening. But anyways, yeah, if you guys have any questions, and I will make sure to update you guys on sweat, how it held up in the gym and all that stuff. But 30% off, I would go and get you some. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let me know what gym wear, active wear you guys want to see next. And that's it. Bye guys.